Quan folder. And I just tried to open it without pressing the button. It's going to take me a while to get used to that. So we're missing a bit. It fell off. And I think it went in the fire. I stood in front of the fire opening a packet, and I just can't find the piece anywhere identical to that. Looks like it just flew straight in the fire. Kind of like a little token of payment in some way. So now the knife is mine, and I'm going to have to do something about this. And I had an idea. And further attempts, this T-Rex tape doesn't hold on. The button wiggles. I tried cleaning this up and scratching it up and doing it again, but it didn't work. So we're gonna go in with the super glue gel. I've been using this Sencut Taisho knife today as well. Really enjoying that little neck knife. Good point on it. Use the back of the point, the swedge, to get in there. You can see I still got to clean out a little more adhesion. I'm just gonna hollow this out in the back here. Was this a bright idea? Or was that a bright idea? Let's find out. Probably a bad idea. Possibly a bad idea. Yeah, I think I'll leave some gaps at the edges there. We don't want any overflow. That will be disastrous. Oh, orientation. Well, that's the way it's going to go on easiest, so let's just try that. Sketchy. Toothpick. Could be worse.